Hi everyone. I have a little bit more battery left on my phone, so I'd love to show you one more thing I got on Amazon. This is the WAVLINK USB 3.0 universal docking station. It's pretty big. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. In the box is the universal docking station, the USB cable, some adapters, a mount, a CD driver, and a power adapter. I'm just going to open this up if I can really quickly to show you what is inside the box. This is something that I think my daughter said that she might be able to use for her job, so that'll be a nice gift for her. And here it is. So, comes with a lot of things in the box. Here it is. So it's not as big as the box. It's got all the attachments. So here it is. And this is what it has on the back. It has, of course, your plug to plug it into the power. And it has several different ports. Lots of USB stuff, an HDMI, a DVI. I personally don't know what all these things are for, but my daughter does, and I'm sure she will show me. Comes with some adapters and attachments, things that you might need to run this, depending on which features you plan to use. A couple of little plugs here. Of course, your book with instructions, and the multi-display adapting CD. And this here should be the power cord, because everything needs power. Yep, there it is. And this is how you power it up. So that's the WAVLINK USB 3.0 universal docking station, available on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.